na Loise murata wakwa na tukoragwo nake thĩinĩ wa kĩama kĩmwe gĩtagwo Loise, korwo gĩtongoretio nĩ ciamani witũ wĩtagwo Mr. Kigomo na andũ angĩ tũkoragwo nao ho, na nĩwe mũndũ ũrĩa kaingĩ ũhũragwo baĩni nĩ kũnegena. Ũngĩona mũndũ akirĩte ũmenye ngoro yake nĩ nguraru, na no nĩ ngwenda gũkinyia rambirambi ngwĩre Loise Kim hamwe na family nĩ gwĩkaga research ya maandĩko. Ndakora kwĩ hĩndĩ Mwathani Jesũ endire gũtiga arutwo akĩrũthĩrĩria akĩona ciugo iria angĩmatigana ciakĩmera mũtigĩra tu thayũ wakwa. Alikwenda akagũkĩra maandĩko-inĩ mũno nĩgetha nyambe ndaũkwo kiugo thayũ nĩ kuuga atĩa, na ndaunderstand nĩ kuuga atĩ nĩ kweheria na kũrehe kĩndũ kĩngĩ. Ndangĩtiga thayũ ateheretie, nĩgetha gũke thayũ ambaga kweheria kĩndũ kĩrĩa kiuma ho na agacoka akarehe thayũ nĩgetha ũhorerie ngoro cia andũ arĩa meho. No ũkorwo baba nĩ ahurũkĩte na akehera, no ithenya-inĩ rĩa bamĩrĩ baba ti mũthiu tondũ Kristo nĩatũmĩte thayũ wake nĩgetha ũihũre kwĩ bamĩrĩ, na thayũ nĩguo ũtũmaga andũ mahorere ngoro. Ndagĩka ĩno no tũracakaya, o ndagĩka ĩno no tũraima maithori-inĩ witũ, no twarĩkia kũmenya Ngai atũheire baba mĩaka 77 agatũrera agatũthomithia tũgakinya harĩa tũrĩ, no tũrĩmũrekia ngoro-inĩ citũ ona ithuĩ tũmenye no tũkagera njĩra-inĩ ĩyo na twĩre Ngai atũhe matukũ maingĩ nĩgetha tũgakinyia mĩaka ta ĩyo. Loise wĩyũmĩrĩrie na bamĩrĩ yanyu yothe, nginya harĩa mami witũ arĩ onake nĩ ũreyũmĩrĩria nĩgetha tũhote kũhotana ũhoro-inĩ wa wĩtĩkio. Faith ĩũkaga na gwĩtĩkia atĩ Ngai eho na nĩwe ũtũmaga maũndũ mothe mekĩke. Mweke ndĩna gũthikĩrĩria makĩria ya ndagĩka ĩmwe because I have my senior, my authority. Ndĩna Archbishop ũrĩa mũnyitĩrĩria wa maguta na gwagĩtio tondũ na nĩgetha ũkĩarehe rambirambi ciake, ũrĩa ithuothe tũrũgame as I welcome my spiritual authority, ndagĩtarĩ Archbishop Jj Kwaria. Okay, ikiaja maũndũ na gĩtego arĩho nĩamũnyitio ũhoro wa gũtĩa anene na andũ arĩa me igũrũ wakwa, na rĩu ndagĩka ĩno ngwenda nĩgetha ũke nĩgetha nake arie ciugo igĩrĩ. Ũhũre-inĩ wega.
Thank you very much, my Bishop. God bless you. You may be seated, all of you. Thank you all. Bishop George, I'm so happy to see you again. I'm so happy. What God has made you. May your God be always praised. Thank you very much. Atugatiri all the meha. Atugatiri akakitawitu, especially my bishop, the new bishop wa kanisa priesthood fellowship, Bishop Monki Zakayo, na tugatigana the aigate tunaona haha Pastor Mofea, Reverend Sara Garoia, ndĩrona ta priesthood gĩcunjĩ kĩayo kĩa gĩturumo mũgwanja thĩinĩ wa gĩcunguruma kĩa 99 kĩrĩa gĩgũkũ. Ũcio nĩ wendo mũnene harĩ we Loise Kim. Ndacũthĩrĩria maitho rĩngĩ ngona waingĩristi, inakona ministers a Reverend Bull, ngacoka ngona Reverend Lawrence, ngenda gũtĩa mũno o rĩngĩ Reverend Rugi, maciaro ma mangĩ, Reverend Sara, the man who moves the mountains. Sometimes even when mountains are not moving, he forces them to move. I don't know how to say. Tolendona Pastor Mofea halia, katika maitho haha ngona airĩtu rĩrĩa Ngai maimu witũ eheire, Ngai nĩaheire airĩtu ana matakariganĩra. Pastor Milka, Pastor Lawrence, Wamomenya, Alea. Andũ acio moke gwakwa mũthenya wa mbere makinyire rwĩmbo rũtakariganĩra atĩ na no nyende tũhunjĩre rwĩmbo hanini Milka. Pastor Uka, you know how much I love you. On my body, you can more than you know how much I value you and my girls. So where are the other girls? Please, we do this for a scheme. But I have 4 girls. More can that's what I show you. And these are my girls for you. The scheme, you want to know ndio mwale amari kwa maikairezi twina kiatikatite kuko kwa mudharike kuro haya koragiti no ayame lema sedi kushige mungu, but you can do it one or two pieces. What you did for me, that's my offering. Na leo kwa Loise dinamukora that word tonio daho baigure yitwe ya belea committee belea Sir Bendigai, my chairman, and my elder kibomo moke mabiriria committee ya kuga mabikonatia. These girls, 4 girls, ono mude nonya dado America ala makoro makedo to tengera na wona to gudi. You can just take me with my girls and you are free to share. And these girls, you can share. You can have a post in you share that. Most of them I had these girls. Now, even my wife knows them. My children knows them. They never moved out of my doors. But any other time when I'm okay in my mind, for the morning is a disease. It's not a joke. But let me tell you, one of those scheme I'm with, one tatara respond. Morning is so painful. I say this truly because I am in it. Mamia na mwakana nudu, but I'm still mourning. Tono they did that for the coffees, be like did that shukari atwali, and then when I'm rawali gike ko bisha, mati ko ile mami eda gitari. A whole education and the Mionaga, thank you very much. Let me take care of our king. Now, let's take this part. Hali family yako, hali kanda rotuke kwa mwaku, na mtuketi limonene wako George. Take this part na monas aleake because this moved me and this has been moving me. They sang at my home. The most interior and developed area where we hope we will have a governor who will consider doing things later. Or whatever organic Mundaia, at the Moshua Wamra, na Senator Meadow, please, Mary, the Corona will not say, tell them I love them, I value them, I'm not fighting for any seat. So we don't know he won't be sure for Tomura and Gomra Canada. Ni get a coin can again coffee and actual on a the Kyoto or the Harabe and Kyo or the Harabe and Musatiano in Harabe, your Ego, you have Shabara Mushili, na Kemaru, the Korean Damon. Oh, we do the Harabe, we are going to keep up to look at it to have a dog to tell the coffee about the cup to be not to Harabe. We can have my hand, the Ogiga, we can you out. Tono Harabe, how. Niki dona mundo no waharabista na dewa mufia ona kwa mushini muwe kwe muhulu wa mufia ja huli kubaka giraja na ngiro harabiyo no yiti dona na kiasio ona ki dona mwe izo totera ile kuona ngira goalkeeper ya towe niti dona mwe niti dona masui niti dona na kiasio na kanetini inagiko commentator muhuku auba ati mwana to swagaka 19 wa harabista ati he is giving Morocco brain stress. The first time in Kenya, Kenya, even Morocco, Morocco Spain. Stress, do you present no, president, if you are you are my senior brother, not to get out of Jabos or there, but I must go come in how they have. On a Murani, the candidate on a house, no more with a mark at the band, mark at the dam in 1980. Now, the money in 2008, and I did take a man, Ronaldo, Magina, Brazil. How do you don't I mean, mark at South Africa. But I saw him here, no document amount of money. You may be seated here. When she things are normal, as you know, you may play the games as you think, but they may be worked out somewhere. You will never know. My son was coached by Mandela, coach to Harab the youngsters, and Moses. They were not there. I didn't saw them. You know, they went McCarthy. ndona na kia kijinyo moro dio ndio wa kwa kia kwa kumvile ni toyo au kia ndawe kasana ni kwa hili ona na mo wori wa strike ala ikaria kwa kwa kumana mwena unaweza kuona ati kinyona ni hivyo mwanake kasana. This taught me something that when they see that they do it, somebody somewhere may be knowing it better and we do it one day better than I do. By that, the harvester has taught me a spirit of being a more humble man. So that when my bishop reappointed me and gave me the position that he has not given me, he appointed me, and I hope that I'm going to come and present here, get no, I'm happy. Bishop, thank you. And the priestly churches and pastors, thank you for inviting me again. And I wait for your instructions. And I thank you so much, Bishop. But for now, before I get to arraignment, I wanted to say the beauty in the love that you have for you, Loise. You know, really. Okay, we have thousands and thousands of Kenyans musicians, but you can see how many are here. Now, also understand the age of these girls that are here. And my age too. So the no many radio are many. When no many very to the Lydia Kwani, now who take a quao, it told a quao. When you're not a dinner to Kurene, that's it. I can handle the diamond that you really take by the week. No, that many at wow, we need to take one by your head. Together, hidden Jamomakan and giving in the wow. Kikaka to go show him and done this way. Namato Papa did not want to go with a great friend of mine, one of my family, the family, no. But I came to know almost all of them. But one day, Loise Kibora Visi, a Kibora Kibora attend a rebel. Now, he don't have to Kwaria over there. You didn't put the car in the catastrophe. Na mweka mwero medi na atumia kwanza. Aikira na neikira kiudo na kete ni muini mwero na ngira ko iriate da muruko kuniko kakojira. Akifanya kodi kandia kwa siao na mwemuto na kitira na ngira bebe ni siao. Na maudu maleta na kwao kwa tamu the mom oro na mega kana iri hapo. Na ndivyo na details sio the toda subject zile. Kemenya mudo ni ajue bio todo niamije kwa kwa the data mjie kwa mia Kenya. Now that is between 96 almost 99 they mwemuto. I didn't know one day this girl will come this great. I want you to see likale yaku lila wako ile music ini wedora ukole tona kuo noga ko tuona twande tu akigirere le madara kama tira tuya. I see my bishop with the small evangelists in the church. Now they don't know what to say. James Nimuna or Igoro or I think we are a Karuba. No, I'm already in Kodo. Now, I need one of my Indian with a yoke. So the new did two to the Kira, they might look at Torah. They go to a it is it cannot be one thing. The pride that God has not given you, Loise, that has made you these girls and other ladies. And now men, even my bishop here, Morowana na wako mudhuri na yandikete kameme na ona akakora kwa kile makedo la vitani na hede abara sayura na ndo ando na miyewe kekele ndo amye ndo mora ya kire kwe wando wa hadi ondale tena ile dale nikana kwa sababu nikana kwa sababu kwa nini sudare ongo ndio kwa kidogo tunamweka inakuja na ni kameme makiona matikota kwa roho na manda ngozi na kote kudogamia so I was too pushing I was the mover, the striker, the ball was on my side. Kameme kudogamia was different. Only the bishop could come and tell me I'm sorry pastor Ero bara shishe yoro ngeri na mwali tena mambo ya mwali ni mungu wake rogame wira mambo na illustration madi na wewe ndio ni kamene ndio washoka ndio ndio vitu vinashoka akifanya ndio kwa sa James yake hapo alitia kuya mafao so one ndio ndo hapo na kwa sababu ndio na ketoke tokana na ketoke huja kwa na kwa meo tokana na hiyo vitu kwa mwaimero gena kana wangu ito na kile hora kufika pale kwa kile kwa na muno ale pale bora the best teacher roko na kile kitu kwa muno na automate ino kitu kwa vino unataka kusoka nje kwa muno wali wewe muno mweka akiora kwitu akisoka huko kaya kimutainya akitwikamanyi tuonea doera joka koleni atoka muja he is a volleyballer, a good volleyballer oyo tomofina tukuja but marudia na age igediete leo mauru na maki baya kurali. I am referring to these people because I've given the Spartans talk as friends at a Loise skin really have okay na kakuka na kawanyiti na nijue especially ni noro ndo tabia inoro ya kikomia mmoja na kama mimi aketa ukubora to migini da kama duani no Brino na tomu te no bishu ni kimo na to tora mo vidi guru nake na magajo mara ma ko wete to ni beni kidai no to ayoro na moro na hivi to megi dio yale hapo raro na mundu haya guru yake ni noro mundu muinode leo mundu anayoshafi na to ali hado hamu gode ni mwakuru magara ya kura roisi ndo na mbi to guru ya kana ona ko na mai to mara ma mi ore ta ba kai ni ma ona to tu ona me kaka korona to mashe na akimu ile tumwega efomaina ndio watu kwa ile memory aike adona memory to efomaina no wapere number 2 ndio scheme to dito to manalika mudo wangu chora ligiye kukani joku wangu na hizo jeni waidera muiderania patterns ido to kushona kwa niaya no scheme ndio kwa bringi kimo wake to gekati toje kuyanishi kwa unabara yako. This has been good people. I'm speaking this showing the people now our brothers and sisters na Gen Zs. Ana mara okile tu kwa mara to benya ya mara ka gona to kwekele na tumana. If they can do the history toto yake nyane ko ure kwa raya to na olele omwe aidita tano tira myaka na mwana kana mwiri tira mwiro rumwe kwa modo omwe to na ko tega ndio ko kinya mwezi kwa Sabina ogo kira ka roshina kana ni Sabina kuige no simu basi nae kama sikuona sisi moro wajina bali na kwanza wale ukwaja wale tunani na jibwa kwa kendo wake ni ndore ti moro toto ni kwa tukatera kwenye ndio darasa na ke amleta kama Georgia na Loise Arizona nila sote kwa ni kimono darasa jamani kikio na Brian na ndio bali na muri kwa nini sema ni wako na tu arrangements na we are brothers, true brothers. We can talk with him right now in my age diweza kama ndogewe moyo tokea na kesi maudo serious na ndi kinyamaji kwa sababu toto leli karimu elia kwa hiyo mtu na leo ni kimboreka kama 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 kwa hiyo na kakatu na wewe ndio kwa hiyo toto ndio ndio kwa hiyo all the same with your respect, allow me to conclude and say, Loise King, onini na wa ogima wakwa no tugata. That is 1999. Nilidabira munto kwao. She has always held me as a big sister. Bado moka karema to maka inina ati ile tukuborana na siasa ile. Modo to kwa na ndio mshukuru na hiyo ucho tugima wako tawo modo to hakimika na twake kwa kimi. Hadi kwa hadi kitu to hapo. The best thing is appointment is we can be a help for each other during the time of our need. That is it. So, atuma maraba alioni kai. Tuko dimairu ketana idri. Atatumitayo wana tukitayo da kemomo tuketa bakokana wana washimo sofinga. Nyato turere nite nerikarere. Natoka juge odomo kuri yimi. Negada yetu ya mako heshigochio. Nietere. Gutire mundu we abafu ya kamera gwena mwashimo wakoraga. Gutire mundu we abafu ya kamera gwena otali na mushia liborwa. Diga na mwanyita. If you are above 40 years, you have a dead parent or a sick parent. Kuti mundu na kamera kwena na nyina we dayo, ina no kuo kana na no. Kuti na ida we dayo. ina na waru kana dalimo mwika moyo ugo na mwadirike kutaindana odolingani tonere na maturete tondole tutikire para media ni ile no kama yana ngiri bayana mwe tutwara Loise masaka tu yo kutu timandiko ora modi ya ndaro atike dukeke nditokeka tutikionda bashi siana te media ni tutikionda bero ora tukiona kana pesa hizo tunaona ile hawa nani ndio ndeko waka wana represent ni waka tututikiwe hala benea ni na kolia wake huko na kukurata just start knowing that you are the team now ya Kwaria kima mareparativo niki fafa ni atiko ne yoyo mami promote klastia ashiari raisi moja leo tukaruta mbe kwena ndo atatu omwe twandika okay de kwa Loise wito Friday tumatika mtumia kushika wito wako America Colorado Tuesday tunakiponga mambo wa Kenya moja leo bado mwekea ni hapo kwa I had so close experience na Professor Mugenda so I know nina kwa Loise kwa dieli wale modo kidato na moja ni adwakuma yule hata aidine mweka ine yako na de wao get up to what they are doing so everything that happens is very painful but ejino hii today Neo emotion kiona ashialile motion tigiro ejino if you are above 40 am I right the professor am I right ne buku ndio bishop ejino ya above 40 50 akoma wali mwa eka odo eka sukari eka pressure hena kudumudiana ekudumutoara naga rekino kukono watine ndio yado anyu ndio na kwa wiki goda como enkaliti akomoya ena mi oyenji ya twali agima ebotika ndorana kutumela na computer ma joko abo umini kumtutera na wangu tarana ya hakuhera nawe umenye atwale maratiwo raisi idui nikorona na idui na todane tolone ni na tukarona na vidani neli na tukarona na vidani neli na tukarona na motion nocha na ile torara sasa hiyo kendo ile rukoboka shobe tarushi na bila moroko además mubi kesunde ke tina soka kenene ke sana nzima ke kiko ndio ndio mimi hapa na ndio kesa James ke hoderi dona hana dala angane wori na mwasa hende kega kinya shana isi tona ala atika ko mushi can I tell you the doma neto ke shibikenene no moyo wako omode if there is a silent home de wako tono mukura mukuru ni adili ule mwana mhamu ile tu ashida wenda kututoma ni university leo ni kineka bure what was that for you at the end of the correct to you bear na mzuri kuka na wiki leo hali yako kwa ndio wewe ni wewe mami na nini ndio tuende na idui como nele abimo anole gobi na tutika corona ni nebo na nibi so izu ya macho people koko twende haya mara ukatai kuli aidia mara kuheka mara kulikuwa mara ki mara pasa mfia sometimes mare bia na totona kwa kitu kuna ne kwa kibisho kule yake ni hapa na time to talk so much that they have time show nini ni mungu kidike kama na mambo bidiko na mungu kwenda but what I say is ini ni kama kaeji and go ahead that capacity and let us remain in this age to will not help us. She goes to the sergeant. How can you carry that? Okay, she has not told you to share you. No, no, go to target. For the Sianesho, you need to get over that. She take a camera, she take a head, she do Gaga, she can't go to muini. Kinaju, Matikinoka, Matumeka, to Rumaki, Kaleu. Adosho no makuhorire no makuhire go no mamuko kile bisha no mamuko kile ndoko no mamuko kile AI no tuke kodo tama lewa chori is not going to be very hard na tuendane tu. Can I finish by saying I would love to talk so much because I went home yesterday na dinaka kuna familia ya dinaka kuna Loise na siana yake ndio ni atakuwa na Loise na rogamire na nimono na kile mimi nite kwa ni kwa dogo. I had my challenges community de Juba but sometimes my wife was there, and now I come to me on a get handle sometimes, and I had to offer myself and come to see you, Loise, and say, thank you for the time. You have been good. May God help you. May God help you. May God be good. Togo to your mweka kuyaki. Togo wana kana kwenye. Togo wana diro la ukuwa leo bali na go. Gayu itona utaidia. Au kwenda na shenesha ku. Togo kuona moshiani. I want to play. Nia kwa ile dale na miaka kwenda kwenda. Baada ya hapo dakika hivi ndani ya miao. I cried at the age of 50. Kule na kamwana. I cried. Anytime I remember her. Rather than the president Uhuru Kenyatta, when I am not getting you, the president Kenyatta, would you kill you Gambia, Tamasaka, Nagari, Kenyatta, the president Kenyatta, I gave the Papa, General President Uhuru, what did you leave our body? Jibu President Iraki. I also mourn. I also mourn for the Papa. We have the Euro 16 and now he became the president of the United States. Now he can't do it. Let me go to you. Robo Tiganda, Raisina, Rakin Matitoria, Kuaro, Kinahani, Kaya, no to the pole, Naha to the pole. You go kill a kieha, not the day. Rabaleo, Omeria, no Comenia, no Wikanana, do it near the quarter where Magama, how I can need the money. Na maudhumora uda shari kama na wapapa diwe wewe video mimi nako no maudhumora kai le no alika na kwa alika to pia no agedia hali ni tumo kwa kinyo ni hana penso kwa ndio kwa hali kwa dio ngori ni timu ndio utudikei no si ni tiuri na na view na turekere na tukaa kinyelele to kwa mtu na kala na kumwenda wao kwa na msala no wewe kuga tukajua kwa kumwona it is pain, it is healing. Guy, we don't have to do another. I will visit you. I'm sure Bishop Pema had the name of Bodore, nearly a quarter of Bushel to Titani Goyo, Nagaya. We are not going to put a tournament, new show, Nakino now. So 3 years later, with this team, Naijino, Elder, Mutinato, Mutikare, Ketu, Ricani, Riago, Tordeca, and I'm not going to do that. That was the way they did that. I can see that. Why do I make a number with a woman in the world? We want to skim near Corona. Do not know what I mean. More on a saloon, open a word, and more over them. How come I mean here? They won't kill. At the one of fair, I want to enjoy no one I walk home. So we are hand, so we can imagine you can have a but I'm going to. Now we want to do it. Na mambo kubwa cha kuna kifuti wake ya kile kweli yale mamushi wewe horera tu na nipatile mambo maiki kifuti yale manyumba tena ni kuma halu ya kama kweli waje rudi kwenda kwa na wakulale kifuti hamwe makomba ngelia kubali ukiri shoketi na hatiruduki I just want to say thank you for listening to me. Thank you for the honors that you give me. All the years I've been blessed with you. Kumande Mwinjilisti, Hedo Dale Kwaria Scheme, Gingadaishi, Loise and your family. Kotoma Dore, Gromo Muto, Sapoti Aquanu, you know, why to the Alu, the Monano, Kandawako, you know, I can say, we will share up on you, Dabra, Ogano, you don't have never for Canada, Hindi on the Buga, the Kenya, Kumude. John Kenyatta, Nilodera, what they call it, by the way, that's what I'm going to go video. 1982, Niloda did go down with you like me, and Yana, Gigwell, as I'm going to go. They wouldn't. Mount with your they got a lecture, Gabriel. Thoroughly to come on and don't tell you don't see. Jete now I don't wait. Because all what I do is to say this and I speak this. I learn to these girls, these small girls, and the beautiful girls in the field. The country should have family, all that going on. I promise you, my love and my family is going to be with you. Now, may God bless you. keep the beauty, keep the heart. Morning has no end. Jera waigira diumagwo. La James niyo waigira macakaya bakwithia gutiumagwo riu waigira guko ni kumenyera na kumagiriria yake. Girls, please do it for me, for her.